Marshals recover unaccounted cash worth rupees 22.1 crore during searches at multiple locations linked. This is coming in as this is linked to the Chief Engineer Rural Works Department. During the search, the engineer Sarangi allegedly tried to dispose of the cash by throwing it out of the window. And just throwing 500 rupee notes. I repeat, 500 rupee notes. He tried to throw it outside the window when he got caught. And this is coming in from Bhubaneswar. Big update coming in as raids continue on this Odisha engineer, and he tried to throw cash out of the window. You can see the bundles of cash on your screen. These are bundles and bundles of 500 rupee notes. And we have with us Riyanka joining us live right now. Riyanka, I'm coming across to you right now. Look at the bundles of cash. This is a case of alleged corruption and disproportionate assets. What are we seeing on the screens? We can see gold also.
Oh, well, yes, Shivangi, it was like raining cash in Odisha's Bhubaneswar as a man who was working under the Rural Development Department. He was an employee of the Rural Development Department under the government. He was apparently throwing out bundles of rupees 500 notes to his apartment window, and this was happening during the raids conducted by the Vigilance Department, as they recovered nearly 2.1 crore in cash during simultaneous raids which were happening at 7 other locations in Odisha itself. These locations included Angul, Bhubaneswar, Pipili, and all these locations are concerned with that one particular man who is a government employee by Kunta Nath Sarangi. He's a chief engineer at the state government. What we understand at this point in time that all of these relations are under scanner. With the fact that the Vigilance Department raided locations like double-storied residence where he stays in Angul, a flat at Damdama in Bhubaneswar, a house of Mr. Sarangi's relative in Angul, paternal house in Angul, and many other areas. His office chamber also was being, raided, and nearly 2.1 crore of cash has been seized, as well as the gold has also been recovered. And what we also understand is during this operation, it was a turn of events when Mr. Sarangi was, trying to throw out these bundle of cash from his apartment window, of a video of which we are showing our viewers.
So Riyanka, I'm sorry, I have to interrupt you because I'm being joined by Akansha as well from our Republic newsroom. Akansha, it's raining cash in Odisha's Bhubaneswar, and this engineer was throwing bundles of notes outside his apartment window because, frankly, he got caught by the Vigilance Department. Over to you, Akansha. What are we learning of?
Well, absolutely. This very concerning news that is coming from the state of Odisha. In a dramatic sequence, what we saw is a man throwing bundles from his window, and 500 rupees bundles, several of them, he's throwing them out of the window. And it turns out that this person is the chief engineer in the rural department as far as the state is concerned. And raids were conducted at his location. As the raids were being conducted and the notes were being counted by the Vigilance Department, dramatic sequence came to the fore. Someone has recorded a sequence from below his house. This man, who's the chief engineer in the government department, can be seeing bundles of 500 rupees down from that window. A case has been registered against him. Several, crores have been recovered during this raid. But definitely very, very concerning news as far as the state of Odisha is concerned.
That is right, Akansha. Yes. Akansha is getting us those details coming in, and we have the picture of the apartment as well, where this cash was found. Those pictures are showing us the kind of cash and corruption which is obvious to the naked eye. You can literally see 500 rupee notes and this 2 crore cash in total seized from Odisha. So these are back-to-back updates coming in right now. Exclusive pictures only on Republic TV. And if we have Akansha, then let's go back to Akansha. Let's go back to Akansha. If we have Akansha, if you can hear me, just take our viewers through, what exactly this means in terms of the Vigilance Department raiding multiple areas. We know that Bhubaneswar was just one area. There are 7 locations in total which have now been raided. The different flats in Bhubaneswar, Puri, many more places have been raided. And what is the Vigilance Department really looking at right now?
Well, you see, Shivangi, as far as the Vigilance Department is concerned, this person who's the chief engineer in the Rural Development Department, he was under the scanner, and hence the raids were conducted at several locations. At this specific house, what we're learning so far is that crores of rupees have been recovered from this specific location. From another location that is in Angul, this one was in Bhubaneswar. In Angul as well, what we're learning so far is that cash has been recovered, and this case, in fact, started because there was a doubt from the Vigilance Department that this person, he has disproportionate assets. He is the chief engineer in the Rural Development Department. If you go by that, he should not be having bundles and bundles of cash at his house in Bhubaneswar. And what is more shocking, and what the dramatic visuals that have been showing to the Republic TV viewers, is how he's throwing 500 bundle from his window there. That means he was amassing a lot of wealth at his residence, not just in Bhubaneswar, but also in Angul. And this is the chief engineer in a government department there. So there was a doubt, and he was under the lens because the Vigilance Department claimed that they had the input that this person had amassed disproportionate assets, and hence these raids were conducted. And after that, we saw the dramatic visuals of him throwing the bundles from his window. And now the case is underway. More of his other properties are also being searched by the team.